Hello, assalamu alaikum my friends. Ready to power up with a new skill of Python? Today we are covering a tool that you will be using in Python regularly, daily, and most of the time. And that is arrays. So what is an array? From since childhood you are using arrays. And still you are using arrays. How? Haven't your mom sent to the market with a shopping list? So you have used the arrays. Shopping list that your mom makes for you so you don't forget anything from the market is a type of array. Computers store the data under a topic inside an array. Okay? So for example, your mom has given this list a heading called shopping list, and this shopping list she has put several things related to the kitchen. Likewise, you can make an array in Python. Just like your mom gives a heading, you will give a variable name. Okay, shopping list. And how you start an array is like your mom picks up a paper and start noting down on it. You will use a kind of brackets that look similar to a paper. Okay, these are your paper for programming languages to make a shopping list, to make an array. And just like your mom gives a dash after each thing, you will also give a comma after each of the things. Okay, so first of all you will say milk, then you will add eggs, then you will add juice, then you will add onions. Okay, whatever you want to add. And the best part of Python is that you are not limited to using only one data type in an array. You can put numbers also here. You can also put Boolean data types in the same array. That's a superb function of Python, which was before in previous programming languages was not available. Okay. So this is how we make an array. But in a scenario, for example, you go to the grocery store, and you want to know what was the first item in your mom's shopping list. How you can access that, how you can read the list. From eyes you can read the list directly in real life, but in programming language you should use a syntax. How you will use? For example, you make the first item. The first item is how you will access it. You will first refer to the list, then you will make the page. Just like your mom makes a note, you will give this notation of double brackets and refer to the number, the order in which your mom placed the item in that paper note. So for the first item, you will use 0. Okay? And now we can access the first item. We can save the milk item in this first item variable by accessing your shopping list in this kind. Okay, this way. Now if I want to print first item, I will know that I have selected the milk. It's like I am saying to the grocery store, I want the first item. See, what's the first item? It's milk. Okay, let's in this way you can access the second item also, shopping list, and you will give inside this bracket number 1 for accessing the second item. This is a weird kind of way in which all the programming languages work, but you have to keep it in regard. Now, for example, if you want to directly access the last item in the array, what will you do? Python gives you an exciting way to do so. Okay? See how smart it is. You say -1. So -1 means the last item in the array. And if you want to know the second last item, I'm sure you would be guessing till now. It's going to be shopping list -2. Okay? This means second last item. So to access the items in array from back, you use the negative numbers, and to access it from forth, you use the positive numbers. Okay? Now, for example, you have to, your mom calls between the way. You are in the way in the car, and the mom says, I want to change the third item in the shopping list. Make it from meat to, for example, chicken. I don't want meat. I don't want mutton. I want chicken. So how will you modify this shopping list? It's easy. Just how you access the numbers from here through numbers. Access the items through numbers. These numbers are in programming language called indexes. Keep in that mind. I didn't want to confuse you. You will use the same notation. Copy this. I want to copy this from here. Okay? You will count which is the number of meat, which is the index. What is the index number of meat? 0, 1, and 2. And now I will say I will access this item which has index number 2, and I will modify it with another value called chicken. So now if I reprint this array shopping list, what will I get? See the magic. I will get milk, eggs, no meat. I have got chicken, onions, 1 and 2. So this is how you modify a shopping list, or in a programming language we call an array. So what if your mom says don't modify, just add an item in it? I want you to add something. I forgot mentioning one ingredient to make the recipe. She said add masala. How will you do that now? So now you don't have to copy this notation. Just copy this, the name of the shopping, the name of the variable in which you have saved this array. Okay? And say append. Append means I am inserting at the last place of this array something called masala. And these mean spices. Okay? Now see the magic. If I redo this statement, what will be the result? And here we got our new short and sweet array as we had wished it to work. Milk, eggs, chicken, onions, 1, 2, and masala spices. Thank you very much. Your mom will be very happy that you have bought all the ingredients we had ordered you to do so. Thank you.